Who became the first woman president of the United Nations General Assembly? Answer Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. What is the name of India's first nuclear reactor? Answer Apsara. At which place did Mahatma Gandhi start his first satyagraha in India? Answer Champaran, Bihar. Wings of Fire and Ignited Minds book are authored by which Indian scientist? Answer APJ Abdul Kalam. Which Mughal emperor assumed the title of Alamgir? Answer Aurangzeb. Which musical instrument is Pandit Ravi Shankar associated with? Answer Sitar. Who became the first person to reach the North Pole? Answer Robert Edwin Peary. On the banks of river Ganga, which ruler of Magad founded the city of Patliputra? Answer Ajatasattu. Which scientist was known as Wizard of Menlo Park? Answer Thomas Alva Edison. Jatiyo Sansad is the parliament of which country? Answer Bangladesh. According to Hindu mythology, twin sisters Riddhi and Siddhi are wives of which god? Answer Ganesh. Where did the British establish their first factory in India? Answer Surat. Velodrome is an arena for which sporting event? Answer track cycling. Which among the following is not a parasite? Answer ringworm. Who authored the book India Wins Freedom? Answer Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Who is the Supreme Commander of Indian Armed Forces? Answer President. Which was the first country to give women the right to vote in elections? Answer New Zealand. What is the name of world's first personal supercomputer? Answer Tesla. Which constituent of human blood is responsible for blood clotting? Answer platelets. Which city was the capital of Pandya Dynasty? Answer Madurai. Mossad is the national intelligence agency of which country? Answer Israel. Phobos and Deimos are two moons of which planet? Answer Mars. In terms of population, which is the smallest state in India? Answer Sikkim. Which city is famous for Chikankari embroidery? Answer Lucknow. What is the approximate playing time of full version of Jan Gana Man, the national anthem of India? Answer 52 seconds. In which city is the Dargah of Sufi Saint Moinuddin Chishti located? Answer Ajmer. Which lake separates the Hyderabad capital of Andhra Pradesh from its twin city Secunderabad? Answer Hussain Sagar Lake. The Gir Forest National Park, the only home of the Asiatic lion, is situated in which state? Answer Gujarat. What is the common name of acetyl salicylic acid? Answer aspirin. What was the very first video uploaded to YouTube? Answer Me at the Zoo.